Welcome back. At the gym that I swim at, they have these lap counters. They're kind of rusty, and these ones are really old. If you come walk over here with me real quick, you'll notice that on this wall, 36 laps equals 1 mile, 18 laps equals a half mile, and 9 laps equals a fourth mile. With what we do here on the channel, I think you know where we're going at with this. So let's get to printing all of these counters, and let's build this counter. We're gonna first get everything glued together, and then to bond everything, I'm using a CA glue. I'm gonna use an accelerator to speed along this process as well. I'm using the 2 pieces of tape that are nice and even and level with each other to be able to make sure that this stays aligned. I like to wipe the excess off with just like a Q-tip, or you can use a toothpick as well. Spray a little bit of that accelerator. A little bit goes a long way here. And make sure that we got these absolutely precise on this last little bit here. And it should be all right. We'll give it one more spray on the other side. Getting the rest of these pieces together is really going to be easy. Just a little bit of glue. Make sure to slide it on real well. Wipe off the excess. Give it a little spray. And we'll do that to the other side as well. Make sure that it's at where you want it to be at before you go to spray, and then make sure to spray the other side as well so that it stays real snug. I think this part was my favorite, where I got to put all of them on here. Here's a quick little time lapse putting these all on. The checkered flag. After the checkered flag, little bit of glue. Make sure that it's in place. Wipe off the excess. Spray it again. And we finally got the main structure done. The rest of it is just snapping it right into place. Let's get these other supports snapped into. And just like that, this project's finished. I really like this project, and these slide really smoothly. Let's get to testing it. Here's a comparison of the old one and the one that we 3D printed. 1 mile long, or each color represents a quarter mile. Let's get into the water and start doing some laps. When you're nearing the finish line, you should be pretty tired. I think this build came in handy. Let me know in the comments. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next video. Later.